Check out this 2014 Subaru Forester. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With low miles, this automobile will take you far and get you where you want to go. The powertrain includes all-wheel drive with an efficient 4-cylinder engine driven by an automatic transmission. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Heated seats offer comfort in cold weather. He's always hot and she's always cold. Solve this problem while driving with dual temperature controls. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power door locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, power mirrors, an alarm system. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: a backup camera, front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.